Let me show you right now how you can close all of your Safari tabs on the iPhone. So if we get inside Safari, you can see that you might be in the regular page. For example, I'm going to open up the apple.com and a couple of more tabs, right? So let me just show it to you practically. Right, like that. And as you can see at this point, I have two tabs open. So of course you can swipe them away individually and close them one by one, or click on the little X button next to them. That's definitely fine, but you also have the ability to hold it down on the button in the bottom right corner like this. You can see on the blue check mark button, if you hold it down on it, you can see that we have the ability to close all of these Safari tabs with a click of a button. It doesn't matter if it's 2 of them or 20, right? You can click on it like this, confirm it again, and they are going to be gone. So that's very useful. Just keep in mind that you can also set it up automatically to make sure that Safari tabs aren't kept too long, right? So in your settings, if you go to apps and Safari below, if you keep on scrolling through it, you should be able to find it. And in here, there is the ability to decide how long the tabs will be open or when they will be closed. So part of the closed tabs, you get to click whether and decide whether you will only manually have the ability to close tabs or if they will be automatically closed after 1 day, week, or a month. So that's the option you can pick from. Let me know what you think about that below. Subscribe and I'll see you in the future uploads.